If you're looking to effectively plan promotional versus engagement posts using a scheduler, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through exactly how to separate and schedule these types of posts, ensuring you're using your time and resources in the best possible way. Stick around until the end for a game-changing tip that'll make managing your posts even easier. First, let's quickly talk about why separating promotional posts from engagement posts is crucial. Promotional posts are all about selling your product, service, or offer. These posts usually have a clear call to action and drive users to a landing page, purchase site, or contact form. Engagement posts, on the other hand, are focused on building relationships with your audience. Think polls, questions, or posts that encourage comments and shares. The key difference is that engagement posts are not about selling, but building your brand and fostering a community. Now let's break it down. Using a scheduler to plan your posts can save you a lot of time. With our software, the process is straightforward. The first thing you need to do is categorize your posts. Start by identifying which of your upcoming content is promotional and which is engagement focused. Make sure to plan promotional posts around key dates like product launches or special offers, while engagement posts can be sprinkled in between to keep the conversation flowing and keep your audience interacting. Once you've got your content planned out, the next step is to add them into your scheduler. For promotional posts, pick the times when your audience is most likely to be ready to take action. Usually these are during workday hours or just after people get home from work. Engagement posts should go out when your audience is more likely to engage, which can often be weekends or evenings. With our software, you can easily set up recurring posts or campaign-driven schedules, ensuring that your posts go out at the optimal times. A great feature of our software is its ability to let you track the performance of both promotional and engagement posts. By doing this, you can refine your scheduling strategy to post at the best times and improve engagement with your audience. Tracking metrics like reach, likes, comments, shares, and click-through rates can give you the data you need to tweak your content strategy. What's even better is that you don't have to manually post every single time. Once your promotional and engagement posts are scheduled, the software handles it all. This gives you the time to focus on creating more content or engaging with your community in other ways, knowing your posts are already set to go. One key takeaway from today's video is this: separate your promotional and engagement posts, plan them ahead using a scheduler, and use our software to optimize the times and monitor the results. This method ensures you stay consistent while keeping a balance between promotion and audience engagement. Before we wrap up, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below. This is only available to viewers of my channel, and it's the perfect way to follow along and get the most out of scheduling your posts. To recap, plan your promotional posts around key dates, use engagement posts to maintain a strong connection with your audience, and let the software handle the scheduling and tracking. Keep it simple, and watch your social media game improve with this streamlined strategy.